Well, Mathematicats, today we're going to look at the drawing program that is by far the favorite of the students that I've taught. It's rotational symmetry. We've looked at border symmetry before. Let's look at rotation. Here you have a palette. It's a drawing program, a little bit similar to other drawing programs. You choose your color and you can clear and whatever you want to do. But this drawing program has a little bit different feature. You can decide to draw with symmetry. I can say I want to draw with six-fold symmetry, and now if I pick a color and start to draw, I can get things in six-fold rotational symmetry. Right about now, after I show kids in the lab, they say, "Let me do that," and they take off right away making their favorite patterns. I don't really seem to have the whole bottom of the program in the recording screen here. Down at the bottom there's a way that you can change the whole background to a selected color. Like if you didn't really want this black background, you can choose a color and let's see if I can, it'll jump up here. Yep. Say I wanted the background to be white. I could select white and then change this to that color, and now I can draw in black. So you have your choice of backgrounds, but most of the time kids seem to like the black background. Now, one of the things I like to show kids is, since we're from the state of Tennessee and the city of Knoxville, where it's the dogwood capital of the world, let's see if we can't draw a dogwood. Dogwood has 4 petals and there's a lot of symmetry in them. So I'm going to start with a kind of a wide pen, and I'm going to draw 4, oops, except I've got the 6 center still. Let's clear that. Back to 4 center and draw the 4 petals of the dogwood all at once, and I can color that in. If I wanted to have a wider pen, I could. I don't really like to draw it in completely because it gives the impression of the veins of the dogwood. See how every time I draw, I'm actually drawing 4 times. Now, I want the center to be green, so I'll pick one of these green things, and I need to put some other colors in there. Put a little bit of yellow in there, and maybe take some gray, and we'll put some gray lines, and then red on the end of the dogwood. And then let's put some leaves in now. Dogwoods don't usually have 4 leaves, so I'm changing to 2 centers, and I'm going to pick my green color here, and I'm only going to draw in the 2 leaves, and we can color that in if we want. Now, kids have a lot of fun with it. Looks like I overlapped, so I'll just take my white and draw that. So, welcome to the dogwood capital of the world. This program is very relaxing, a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoy it.